Welcome back to the premiere show where children draw things and learn quite a lot. Of course, it's DPKIDS, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. How can they watch this on YouTube?
You can go to our YouTube channel, subscribe us and like, comment us, and also don't forget to press the bell button.
Yes, don't forget to leave us a comment and tell us whether you liked it, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, whether these pictures are good and drawings are nice, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, of course. You can ask that as well. Well, children love to draw very happily because it keeps them mindful and focused on different things. And whenever a new episode comes, we've heard that you've been waiting for us with the new episodes. And when they do, share them with your friends and let them watch it too, and so that they can learn as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, schools, of course, in schools, little children are talking about this quite a lot. Today we are going to draw something very interesting. I don't know if you like it, Minudi, but it's something nice. It's actually called, I think you must have seen, we've drawn animals, we've drawn all kinds of things. But today we're going to draw something very important, something I saw in the morning while on the way to the show here. It's a caterpillar bulldozer. Have you seen it? Have you seen one?
Yeah. When they're making roads, I have seen them.
Yes, exactly. And when constructing roads and making roads, they use these kinds of bulldozers, isn't it? And different types of them. And that is what we're going to draw today. And we haven't drawn something like this before. So we are going to use this with using these techniques, you can draw any type of machinery that is related to this bulldozer as well. Now let's try to draw it, shall we then? But of course, when you are drawing this, you need to be able to know a few more things, shall we?
Okay, let's draw.
Alright, let's take our platinums out. Took off the clip, yeah? Alright, now we're going to draw it. First, we're going to draw the tires. What do they have? Tires, yeah?
Yeah.
How many?
4.
Yes, but from the side, how many?
2.
Yes, only 2. So let's draw one tire over here. Slowly with a circle. It's a very easy, simple one. There we go. Alright, drew it. Alright, very simple. And that's the front, of course, tire. Now we're going to draw the one at the back. Like this. It's a bit bigger than the other one. Alright. Now, of course, with both of them, we can draw a line underneath to show the flow, the ground, just like this. Alright, a line, done. Now from over here we're going to connect these two as well, and you can bring it a bit of an edge from the other side of the circle too. There we go. And from over here, what we're going to do is draw a small box like shape over here. And bring this up. Alright, and then from the center over here we'll bring up a tiny line. Okay, right?
Okay.
And then from over here we bring a line there, down there. And then from over here we'll bring this up a bit more and bring it to the right and connect it there. Yes, alright, good job. And then what we're going to do is, of course, come to this side and we're going to draw the caterpillar bulldozer's iconic, of course, the part where it collects all things, like this. And then from over here it has to connect it, right? So from here we bring this line up, just like this, and we connect it there. Yes. And then from over here we give it a bit of depth by drawing just like this.
Uncle, I don't have enough space here. Can I draw there?
Yes, that's okay. You can draw on the other side. That's totally fine. And you can draw another one just like this below. Alright. And now what we're going to do, you see you have this point here. From over here, you can draw the next one, which is going to be like this. This is the part that gives the support to lift it up. There we go.
Is this okay?
Yes, perfectly done. And now what we're going to do is bring a line here. Yes, and a tiny circle there. Over here we have these tiny knobs, of course. After adding those, of course, here you have, what is it? The sand. Yes, different kinds of sand, mud, whatever it may be that they are transporting. And from over here, of course, there's a person that's always standing here or sitting there. Alright, and then we're going to bring it to the right, just like this. Alright, and of course there's a small rooftop covering for the person like this. A little bit of that, and of course there's a window, a tiny window that they look outside of, yes, and that is this. And try this over here just like that. It's just two lines. Ah, there we go. Now the window.
Uncle, not everyone can drive this vehicle, right?
Yes, it's a bit of a different vehicle, so you need to be able to maneuver different types of objects. Yeah, it's a bit of a difficult thing to do, and that's very true. And now a tiny part from over here to the right from here, and connect it. Alright, now from over there, what we're going to do is bring a line just like this. Okay, done. And now add a few more features with two lines. Nice. Yes, yeah, there you go. It's a fully operational bulldozer, and of course at the end you have a small radiator that lets out the heat and controls the temperature.
I haven't seen that.
Yes, that's okay, but you'll definitely observe all of these things when you see them much later, because when you observe, observing helps you draw much better, doesn't it? Yeah?
Yeah.
And doing so, of course, helps become a better painter and a drawer. Okay?
Okay.
You can add it in any way that you want, that's fine. Alright, I think we're done, so you can even get creative and add another circle inside the tire as well, like this. Give it more life, like that. You can add a few lines. Okay, right. Shall we darken this part over here? Yes, this tiny part. Over here. Shall we?
Okay.
Alright, yeah? We forgot something now. What is that? The smoke exhaust. That's where the smoke comes from, yeah? Yes. We're gonna draw it like this, with a few puffs of smoke coming out of it like that. We drew it, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yes, now let's get to coloring, shall we?
Okay.
Alright, let's color it. Now for that, what colors are we going to take it? We'll take some platinum.
Orange color?
Yes, we can use that, or even yellow as well. We'll take this color over here, and then I'll take this. Alright, we drew it, a bulldozer, didn't we? Shall we quickly show them?
Okay.
Right, now here's what it looks like. Look at how amazing, intricate and detailed it looks like. You can draw something like this too, very simply now. That's the best part about things, and that is what we are here to instill in children. Beauty, but also detail in order to observe, because children are very talented, yeah? Yes, they are talented and they love these kinds of things and animals and machines, and that's the best thing about DP Kids. Alright, with that, it's a wrap of this episode. We'll come back with more episodes with more to learn and more to watch. Until then, you can take very good care, isn't it? And with that, keep watching DP Kids, and we'll come back with more episodes to nurture the talent of young children. High five, high 10.
Okay.
All right, then see you later. Take good care. Bye bye.